The unrealized gain and loss module is the same as foreign currency revaluation, which is to reevaluate the outstanding transaction in foreign currency and to find out if there is any unrealized gain loss according to the current exchange rate. The difference is, each revaluation will also auto-generate the journal entries should there be unrealized gain loss, but the entries will be reversed on the next day, which means the original, in other words, initially traded exchange rate will remain and be recognized compared with the subsequent valuation or payments. So, to do that, go to GL and click on Unrealized Gain Loss. Here, click New and click Yes on the prompt message. Key in the description. It would be easier if you added the date together. Select account type. Confirm the date and unrealized currency, which would be the US currency. Then, click on Start Unrealized. Here in this main tab, this will list down the related bills info and amount of unrealized gain loss. Here, based on the unrealized date and rate, only outstanding bill will be listed and those already knocked off will not be listed. Then, click Save. It is to be noted two things. One, for one day, the unrealized is not allowed to edit. You may only view, print or delete the revaluation. Second is that journal entry will be auto-generated should there be unrealized gain loss. The reverse entries will be auto-generated on the following day. The original exchange rate will be restored. Once the unrealized gain loss is saved, then click Close. Now go to GL and click on Journal of Transaction. Here, filter the date. Then, click Inquiry. Here you will be able to see the journal type General and the journal type Sales. Now, if I were to change the dates and click Inquiry, reverse entries will be generated. If we go to GL and click on Ledger Report, and if we filter the date, and if we filter the account, gain and loss, then click OK. And if we click Inquiry, we would be able to see the report generated. Now, if we were to filter until 1st of January and we click Inquiry again, we are able to see that reverse entries are generated. For subsequent revaluation, let's say the subsequent revaluation took place 1 week after the currency rate. For the USD, buy rate would be 4.4 and the sell rate would be 4.41. Now go to GL and click on Unrealized Gain Loss. Then click on New. This time we would perform the same unrealized gain loss, but now we will change the date to 1 week after. For example, 7th of January 2023. Then make sure to change the date. Select the correct currency and then start the unrealized. Once done, click Save and Close. Now, go to GL and click on Journal of Transaction Report. Here, for example, now I will filter the date from the 5th of January to the 7th of January. Then, click Inquiry. Here, you will be able to see the report generated. So now, if I redefine the filter options again to 7 January till 8 January and click Inquiry, we will be able to see that the reverse entries are generated. Now, if we go to GL and click on Ledger Report, and if we redefine the filter options and change the date to 5th of January to the 7th of January and click Inquiry, we will be able to see the report generated. Now, if we click on the date till the 8th and click Inquiry again, we will be able to see that the reverse entries are also generated.